Friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school. But if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. Impossible is not a fact. It's an opinion. Impossible is not a declaration. It's a dare. Impossible is potential. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. If my mind can conceive it, and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Don't count the days, make the days count. Hating people because of their color is wrong. And it doesn't matter which color does the hating. It's just plain wrong. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have the skill, and the will. But the will must be stronger than the skill. I'm a fighter. I believe in the eye for an eye business. I'm no cheek turner. I got no respect for a man who won't hit back. You kill my dog, you better hide your cat. Often it isn't the mountains ahead that wear you out, it's the little pebble in your shoe. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. I've wrestled with alligators, I've tussled with a whale. I've done handcuffed lightning and throw thunder in jail. You know I'm bad. Just last week, I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean, I make medicine sick. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. The hands can't hit what the eyes can't see. The service you do for others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. To be a great champion you must believe you are the best. If you're not, pretend you are. The man with no imagination has no wings. What you're thinking is what you're becoming. The man who views the world at 50 the same as he did at 20 has wasted 30 years of his life. Only a man who knows what it is like to be defeated can reach down to the bottom of his soul and come up with the extra ounce of power it takes to win when the match is even. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. I am America. I am the part you won't recognize. But get used to me. Black, confident, cocky, my name, not yours, my religion, not yours, my goals, my own, get used to me. Silence is golden when you can't think of a good answer. It's hard to be humble when you're as great as I am. It's lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges, and I believed in myself. I believe in the religion of Islam. I believe in Allah and peace.